Namaste, welcome back to Gita's Kitchen. Today with one simple green moong batter, I will show you how to make idli, dosa and appe. You can choose whichever one suits your family. Today I am sharing 3 simple breakfast recipes using whole green moong. Very filling, very easy to digest and perfect for busy mornings. For making this, I have taken 1 cup of whole green moong and 1/4 cup of raw rice. Along with this, we will take a small piece of ginger and 1 or 2 green chillis. Now, soak the whole green moong and the rice for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Now drain out the water from the soaked moong and add it to your blender jar. Along with this, add 1-inch piece of ginger and I am adding 2 green chillis. Now we will grind this into a slightly coarse batter. Don't make it too smooth. See, we have made it into a slightly coarse batter. Don't add too much water. Just add a sprinkling of water. Later, if you want, we can always add water. Add a teaspoon of jeerra. Now add salt to taste. Give the batter a good mix and your one common batter for idli, dosa and appe is ready. This batter does not need any fermentation. We can use it right away. Just be sure about the texture of the batter. First we will make moong idli. So for that I have kept some water for boiling in my steamer, and we will also grease our idli plate with some ghee. Now just before steaming I am adding half a teaspoon of fruit salt to this. This is optional, but you will get very soft and fluffy idlis if you add it. Or you can even use 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, whichever you have. The water is boiling now, so we can place our steamer in it. Now pour the idli batter into the molds. Now we will steam it for 12 to 15 minutes till it is done. It is about 12 minutes now. Let's check the idlis. You can just wet your hand. It is not sticking and it has also cooked well. Switch it off. Now let us take out our steaming hot idlis. Just dip your spoon in water and steaming hot, soft, light idlis, very filling too. For making moong dosa, use the same batter. Eno is not required for this. Only for making idlis we need eno. Heat a tawa, add a drop of oil and spread it all around. Tawa is nice and hot. Now reduce the flame just before pouring the batter. Give it a good mix. Pour out the required quantity of butter and gently spread it out into a dosa. pour some oil all around the dosa. See, when you see it getting brown from the underside, just dip your spatula in some water and carefully lift it out from the tawa and flip it over. Cook it on this side too with just a half teaspoon of oil. Now cook it till it's lovely crisp and golden on both the sides. And your crispy golden green moong dosa, high protein and no fermentation, ready for you. Now with the same batter we will make green moong appe. So for that I have finely chopped one onion and a few fresh coriander leaves, also finely chopped. For additional flavor, you can add some hing too. Now give the batter a good mix. Our batter is ready. I am just adding some oil to the appe pan. Now spoon out into each mold. You can put slightly less batter like this. This one became a little bit more, so that we give place for the batter to rise when it is fried. Cook it on a medium to low flame. When it is done on one side, we will flip it over and cook the other side too. When it is cooked on one side, carefully flip it over and cook it on the other side too. Cook it on a low flame till it is evenly browned on all sides. See, now all our moong appes are well cooked, golden and crispy. Now we can remove them from the pan. So with one batter, we have made 3 breakfasts, idli, dosa and appe. Appe is very good for your lunch box or even as a light evening snack too. You can plan according to your morning routine whether you want to do just one or all 3. Uncle wants me to show the chutney too along with this. So today I will show you a tasty street style groundnut chutney. First heat a teaspoon of oil in a pan. Add half a cup of groundnuts to it. Roast the groundnuts well in the oil. Remove the groundnuts when they are well roasted. In the same pan, add another teaspoon of oil and I have chopped one onion. You can add 3 to 4 dry red chillies depending on your spice level. Saute the onions and chillies. When the onions become glassy in appearance like this, I am adding 1 ripe tomato chopped. Saute this also along with the onions. Now wait till the tomatoes also become soft and the onions are also well sauteed. Now switch it off. Add a small piece of tamarind. Now allow this to cool well. When cool, we will grind it along with the roasted peanuts into a chutney. onion, tomato, everything has cooled well now. Take it in your blender jar. Now add the roasted groundnuts too. This also has cooled down. Add required quantity of salt. Add a little water and grind it into a chutney. Our chutney is ground and ready. We will pour it out into a serving bowl. You can adjust the consistency. Now for the tempering, heat a spoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, dry red chilli, a little bit of hing, a few curry leaves and pour on top of the chutney. You can serve this no coconut peanut chutney with your idli, mung dosa or appe too. If you like this simple and healthy green moong breakfast ideas, please like, share and subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, and do tell me in the comments which one you are going to try out first. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.